Need to find the clipboard on your iPhone? Let's do it in under a minute. First, a quick note: iPhone keeps a single copied item until you copy something else. To copy, tap and hold the text or image, then tap Copy from the menu. Next, open Notes or any app with a text field where you can paste. Tap and hold in the blank area, then choose Paste to reveal the clipboard content. The pasted text, image, or link is exactly what's currently in your clipboard. This works for text, links, and images. Everything you copy will paste from the clipboard. If you use a Mac and iPhone, try Universal Clipboard to copy on one device and paste on the other. For clipboard history, install a clipboard manager or a keyboard app that stores past items. Quick privacy tip: anything you copy can be pasted until you overwrite it, so avoid copying passwords or sensitive data. So recap: copy, open a text field, paste. That's how you view the clipboard on iPhone. Like this quick tip? Subscribe for more simple iPhone guides.